Alright, 5th grade, today we are going to be wrapping up our lesson on geography, and always at the end of our lessons we're going to have a read and do, and this is going to be just, it will have to do with the whole lesson, but it will be a little bit more of a story. So I would suggest you hit play on here.
History, geography, read and do, where geography meets history. In the mid-1800s,
So I'd suggest you have it read. If you'd like the challenge, it's a little bit of a longer section, so you could either take a break from it, read some, have it play to you for some. But basically what this story is going to talk about is the gold rush to California and what that trip around and across the United States was, going through all the different geographical places throughout the United States. At the end, it's going to ask you to do two things that you need to complete. You need to choose a route over land or by water, so you can't say I'd fly, it's land or water, that you would take from New York, which it shows you is right here, to the gold fields of California. So how would you get there is what it's asking. The way that you can choose your route is by, I would just pick a pen and then draw from there. Remember, you're going New York to California. And you can delete that, so just use the pen for that. And then down here it says, write a journal entry about your trip to California. Include some details about how the geographic features along the way affected your journey. You may include an illustration to show one geographic feature you saw along the way. So you can write this to anybody, so it would be a journal entry, so you could even start a Dear Diary. And then you're talking about the trip to California, which they talk about all throughout this story. Make sure that you give some details along the way. And then you can submit that for the lesson for today.